Not to be overly dramatic, but guys, before kayo mag-enroll sa real estate virtual assistant, okay, ako yung nagtitrain for real estate virtual assistance class. And very hands-on ako doon sa training. Ako mismo yung nagsosource ng clients na pag-i-internship pa. Ako yung nakikipag-usap sa mga client. Ako yung nag-check ng lahat ng homeworks. Ako yung nagbibigay ng feedback. So, sobrang hands-on ko doon sa mga mentee ko sa real estate virtual assistance na sobrang bagal din ng progress. Now, I really wish that there would be like a shortcut or parang mas mapadali. But we're still parang finding our ways kung paano mas magiging efficient yung process namin. Kasi yung real estate virtual assistance class namin, ito yung 999 pesos, meron tong internship. And hybrid yung pinakang work environment or training environment niya. So bukod doon sa live class natin na 5 to minsan pumapalo ng 8 hours, meron pang internship. So may module, tapos may live na internship sa client, may mga homework. All with the hopes na pagkatapos ng training ninyo, alam mo yung plakadong-plakado na sanay na kayo kung paano nga bang mag-handle ng administrative tasks, data management, ISA, repairs coordination, research sa mga sa towns, yan, ganyan. Marketing, transaction coordination. Gusto ko hasang-hasa yung mga mentee. So again, medyo mabagal yung progress nito. However, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Anyway, if you guys wanna join the next class, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos may pop-up dyan, piliin nyo yung GigHub. If you wanna join the Reva class, under live mentorship, makikita ninyo 999 Real Estate Virtual Assistant with internship. Pag-click nyo yan, it will open the form for you. The next class is on April 19th at 1 p.m. Magko-close na tong class na to this coming week. So, huwag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Mag-join na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis, and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!